Hi, Mr. X with glossary term inverse secant. This function is the same as the arc secant, designated SEC with a superscript -1. I really like this language. This function returns the angle. The inverse secant or arc secant returns the angle whose secant is a given number. So let's say that the secant of 75.5 degrees is approximately 4. It's pretty close to 4. So what we can say is that the inverse secant of 4 should be really close to 75.5 degrees. The inverse secant returns the angle whose secant is the given number. So the secant of 75.5 degrees is 4. The inverse secant of 4 is 75.5 degrees. But you need to be aware of something. There's another angle we can return between 0 and 360 degrees. This is a pretty darn rough sketch of the cosine, but that's all we need. Where is the cosine approximately 1/4? Because they're reciprocals, right? Well, it turns out that there's an angle in here about 75 degrees, 75.5. And there'll be another one over here. So if this angle is 75.5 degrees, that's where the cosine is about 1/4. Then there's another angle over here that's 75.5 degrees short of 360, so to speak. How about 284.5? 284.5 degrees. Mr. X takes the mystery out of math at MrXmath.com.